Hey, welcome to Fan Feature Friday. It's Demo Donna here with Queen & Company, and I am so excited to be bringing you this week's winners as well as next week's theme. So first of all, if you have no idea what you're watching, you are currently watching our special Fan Feature Friday where Queen & Company chooses 3 winners from our many submissions that are submitted to our Facebook page, which is the Queen & Company Royalty page. And you just go to Facebook, Queen & Company Royalty, request to join, get this week's theme, create your card using Queen & Company products, and post it. It also helps if you tag me. Some of you did that this week. Very helpful. And I also really appreciated those that wrote down the products that you used in the card. Saved me some time, so thank you. I didn't even realize until after the winners were chosen that some of you had done that, so thank you very much. So that is how you join. You can also go to your Instagram and post and use hashtag Queen & Company, and that way we will check that every week as well to see if there are any submissions for our Fan Feature Friday contest. So the winners get, I know that's the important part too, that's why you guys are all striving so hard to create these beautiful, amazing cards. The winners get 1,000 crowns. So the crowns can be used towards your upcoming purchases. A lot of cool perks to getting those crowns in your account, and there's more than just winning these contests to get crowns. So please go check out queenandcompany.com and learn how to get rewards by creating your account. So I gave you all the rundown. Now to get started with the fun, and I know I've said this 100 times, but thank you so much to all of your fantastic submissions. I loved them. My son and I just flew home this morning and literally going through all of the cards and creations that you guys all put together, and just mind-blowing. You are all so talented, and we are so lucky to have you queens out there representing the Queen & Company brand. It's amazing. Keep up the good work. To get started, we are going to go with winner number 1, and this is Mary Lou Ribick, and I'm going to show you her card right now. Boop. Wasn't that a fun card? Nice work, Mary Lou. So what Mary Lou used, and I'm going to call it a few of the things that she used to create her fantastic card, is she used the special delivery kit. This is such a versatile kit. It is so fun. From this kit, she used the tiny little pumpkins right there. I know it's kind of hard to see. I'll scooch in. Tiny little pumpkins, so adorable up on that windowsill. She also used, which I thought was super cool, I wouldn't even think to throw these into a fall card, but I really loved them. She used some of the epoxy dots, which are great. This collection is really great. And then she used a big tag banner die, we'll go with tag, die from the foundation die number 2 set. And I just love that background. Lots of color, lots of fun. Way to go, Mary Lou. Congratulations. Okay, our next card was submitted by fabulous Teresa Connor. Sorry, I covered up my winners. Were written here somewhere. There they are. Teresa Connor, boo, 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 boo. You are the winner of 1,000 crowns. Let's check out her card. Boop. Congratulations, Teresa. Love the card. Love all the goodies inside of that shaker card. Teresa used, mine's a little cut off, sorry, but Teresa used the shaped card kit pumpkin shape. Isn't that great? Such a wonderful kit. Love it. You can also do so many different things with this. That could be an apple. You can fill all of the different sections with different goodies, different background paper. You know the drill. Teresa also mixed and matched by using another kit. She used the special delivery kit, some of the goodies out of that kit as well. And I loved the use of these tiny little flowers on her pumpkin shaker, as well as the mini pumpkins. So fantastic work. Way to mix and match. Good use of your kit leftovers. So way to go. Keep them coming. Thanks, Teresa. Okay, winner number 3 is Marilyn Morrison. Way to go, Marilyn. That is 1,000 crowns right in your account. Thumbs up. Good job. Love your card. Let's check it out. Congratulations, Marilyn. Awesome card. And what Marilyn did was use a couple different pumpkin sizes from a couple different kits. So she used the Happy Harvest kit, the larger pumpkin here. I also love the different colors. I don't know about you guys, but I love filling the front of my house with the goblin pumpkins and the ghost pumpkins, the bluish, grayish ones, and the white ones and the orange ones. Really fun to mix it all up, and that's what her card reminded me of. Really neat. She also did something very special. She took one of the foundation die number 9, one of the balloons, and flipped that guy over and turned it into a pumpkin as well. And then I also really love from foundation die number 7, this guy down here that looks like a ticket. So she incorporated that as the background, the setting for her 3 pumpkins. So that is 1,000 crowns to you. I want to say congratulations to all 3 of our winners and our 3 winners from last week. And I know you guys are all waiting for this exciting moment. We are going to do, we are going to do orange harvest fall. So it doesn't need to be pumpkins. It doesn't need to be leaves. It doesn't need to be any specific design. It can be a combination of all of them. So you guys let your creativity go wild. Feel free to tag Demo Donna when you post it so I know to go ahead and like it and know that you've submitted it for our fantastic Fan Feature Friday contest. And if you guys have any questions, comment below. I also thought it would be fun if you guys let me know what you think would be a great theme for next week. So why don't you all help me out and come up with a theme for next week? So comment below. Mickey, I know you guys go crazy for the Disney stuff, so it could be Disney, it could be a color theme, it could be washi tape, it could be using one of the fantastic embellishments or a kit. So what do you guys think? Comment below, and I would love to incorporate your idea into not next week's theme, but the following week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate that, and thank you again for all of your beautiful submissions. All of us at Queen & Company just loved them. It was so fun, yet hard to pick a winner. If you guys have any questions, again, comment below, and I look forward to seeing all of your fantastic work. Have a great week, everybody. Bye-bye.